Picture this, a restaurant bustling with energy, where the ambience is so lively you'd think they were serving coffee to a bunch of hyperactive squirrels. Sure, the afternoon might slow down a bit in terms of customers, but don't be fooled, those orders keep rolling in like a never-ending game of food Tetris. And there's our amazing chef, a culinary maestro, chatting up the patrons while juggling knives and fresh ingredients.
No pressure terre, right?
Now, let's dive into what's on the menu. Fresh seafood is the star of the show, with clams, shrimp, and crabs coming together like a friendship group in a rom-com. The chef skillfully whips up flavorful salads that are not only delicious but also look like they could grace the cover of a food magazine.
Yes, please.
I mean, who wouldn't want to eat something that looks that good? As we explore the menu further, we encounter spicy shrimp with basil and glass noodle salad. It's like a culinary superhero team-up where the chef flaunts their skills while giving diners a taste of adventure. Each dish is a new delight, and with so many options, it might take you longer to choose than to actually eat.
Talk about a delicious dilemma.
And speaking of adventures, it turns out that customers are clamoring for spicy food like it's the latest fashion trend. Bold flavors are in, folks. And this restaurant is all over it, accommodating those fiery requests with the finesse of a spicy food sommelier. Prepare your taste buds because they're about to go on a wild ride. Now, if you're itching for some classic Thai cuisine, look no further than dishes like Dam Sua Khanom Chinon and Yam Wun Sen. These spicy delights are like flavor explosions on your plate, and they come at prices that won't leave your wallet crying. You can eat like royalty without the royal budget.
Can I get an amen?
But wait, there's more.
The seafood section of the menu features temptations like Yam Tale Muk Hang and Yam Hoi Ke.
These dishes not only scream I'm fresh, but also ensure that your taste buds are in for a fabulous treat. It's like an ocean party on your plate, complete with all the textures and flavors you could dream of. And don't forget about the crispy fermented fish. It's like the underdog of seafood dishes, known for its unique taste and quality. You might even be tempted to start a fan club for it. Just think of the t-shirts. Who knew fermented fish could bring people together like a bad karaoke night? For those of us who prefer dining in our pajamas, fear not. The restaurant offers takeout options so delicious you might just forget how to cook forever. The packaging keeps everything fresh, meaning you can enjoy your meal later without the dreaded soggy syndrome. Who says you can't have fancy restaurant food in your living room? And let's not forget the location. Nestled conveniently for anyone hitting the beautiful beaches of Konburi, like Bang Saen and Pattaya, this restaurant is a must-visit. So, grab your beach towel and your appetite, because the signature dishes here are calling your name louder than the waves crashing on the shore.
What are you waiting for? Dive in.